Hi, welcome to another video on the channel, and if you are new, hit the subscribe button to join the circle because you do not want to not be here. Today I have a very interesting video for anybody who is just starting their natural hair journey, or maybe you've been here for a while but you are overwhelmed by the rivers of information that are flowing on the internet. Buy this, do that, that works, do this, and you just want to stick to the basics and be fine. But what are the basics? What are the basic essential things you need to take care of your hair that would allow your hair to thrive without having to buy all the products on the shelf and do all the doings? Well, I'm about to share that with you. No longer shall you be confused about what you truly need to take care of your hair, because in this video I'm going to share 4 basic products that you need to take care of your hair. I'm also going to give you product recommendations, and at the end of everything I'm going to give you a hypothetical hair care routine that you can use that is so simple and easy to follow that you wouldn't even believe it. I'm basically going to be sharing my natural hair care routine with you. I am the laziest of the lazy natural and my hair is thriving. I just felt like wearing wig today because I felt like Alright, so let's dive straight into this video. The first product is shampoo. You can't have a natural hair care routine without a shampoo. Like what are you doing if you don't have a shampoo? I know there are some people out there who still believe that dirty hair grows faster, but that's just not true. If you leave your hair to be dirty for an extended period of time, let's say you leave your hair without washing it for 3 months, your scalp is suffocating. It can't breathe. It's not breathing. Your scalp is probably overflowing with buildup. Your hair too. Your hair follicles could become inflamed, which will lead to a host of scalp issues that truly are not very fun to deal with. And then your hair is so caked up with built up product to the point where anything that you are putting on your hair at this point is just useless. It's just another layer on top of the layer on top of the layer on top of the other layer that you have been rubbing for the past 3 months. So please, in the name of all things bright and beautiful, get yourself a shampoo. You need to wash your hair every week if you have the time, or you can be like me and wash your hair every 2 weeks because we're lazy over here. If I were to recommend a shampoo to you, I would recommend the Mega Growth shampoo. It's a really truly amazing shampoo. It washes your hair and scalp thoroughly, and it also soothes your scalp because it contains menthol. It is just really an amazing shampoo. It doesn't strip my own hair. I don't know, because a lot of people like to say that shampoos that have sodium lauryl sulfate, they are stripping, they are bad for your hair, blah blah blah. But I've been using the shampoo since the whole it is the only shampoo I have ever bought. Any other shampoo that I mention here in this video, now dash me, or one brand gave me or something, I would recommend the shampoo to anybody. But if you are still somebody that does not want to have anything to do with sulfates in your hair, then I would recommend the Shiny Organic Moisturizing Cleansing Shampoo. I don't know, I'll put it up on the screen, but I would recommend Shiny shampoos because they have two. They have their normal moisturizing shampoo and then they have their clarifying shampoo. Neither of the shampoos contains any form of sulfate, so if you are a non-sulfate girl, then Shiny is the way to go. By the way, if you use that link to buy anything, I will get a commission, but you'll get 15% off, so fair trade. Another shampoo that I think I've used it, but I used it when I still had my relaxed hair, but it's a really good shampoo, is the ORS olive oil shampoo. That shampoo is really good, very moisturizing, very creamy. I love the consistency. The smell is exquisite. You're gonna like it. So yeah, I've given you 3 shampoo options, so go out there and get yourself a shampoo because you need it. The next thing that you're going to need is a conditioner. Now you can either buy a regular rinse out conditioner or you can buy a deep conditioner. Anyone that you're anyone that you can afford, please buy, because a lot of these conditioners really, they do the same thing, but you know, when a conditioner is labeled deep conditioner, it becomes really expensive. I don't know why. I don't know what the magic is. I've used a regular conditioner on my wash day before, and honestly I couldn't feel the difference. So if it's a regular rinse out conditioner, and what I mean by regular rinse out conditioner is, you will notice that there are some shampoos that come together, shampoo and conditioner. Those, when they come together like that, is rinse out conditioner. It's just recently that they started separating deep conditioner. Look at Mega Growth for instance. Now if you buy the box, their box that comes together, shampoo and conditioner, they still have a deep conditioner separate from that. But a lot of the time, if you look at the ingredients in the regular rinse out conditioner and the deep conditioner, it's almost the same thing. So truly, I don't see a difference. So go to the market and pick one. You can either buy the conditioner that comes with the shampoo, or you can buy a deep conditioner. There's really no need to buy both. And what a conditioner does is it reaches into your hair and moisturizes your hair from the inside. That's why for these kind of rinse out conditioners, you would apply them to your hair, and then you will cover it with like a processing cap or a shower cap or a nylon bag, something plastic, and then just allow it to work for a few minutes. If you are not using a heat cap, then you can leave it on for like 30 to 45 minutes. But if you are using a heat cap, then you can leave it from anywhere between 10 to 25 minutes. The heat kind of accelerates the process, so you don't have to leave it on for so long. Find a conditioner and buy and use. I've used the Mega Growth deep conditioner, I've used the Mega Growth regular rinse out conditioner, I've used Afro Virtues deep conditioner. So yeah, you can check out any of these brands. You can start there. The reason why I'm also giving products recommendations is so that I'm not just telling you, yeah, go and buy shampoo, go and buy conditioner, go and buy this, go and buy that. I'm also giving you a little bit of direction. It reduces the guesswork basically. So I hope this is being helpful so far.
By the way, if you still haven't, go down and subscribe to this channel. Here's your, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, because I know that if you're still here at this point, you're getting some value. Please, in the name of Jesus, help me and subscribe. Help me and like the video. Here's your ma. Thank you very much.
Next on the list, the third product you're going to need is a leave-in conditioner. And what a leave-in conditioner does is it helps to moisturize your hair from the outside. I explained that a rinse out conditioner or a deep conditioner, it hydrates your hair on the inside. Now a leave-in conditioner moisturizes your hair on the outside, which helps it to retain elasticity so that it doesn't break so much when it is stretched or when it is manipulated in any way. It helps your hair to stay soft and manageable. And yeah, the conditioner and the leave-in conditioner basically work together to give your hair just that burst of moisture that it needs to stay strong and healthy. So yeah, you're going to definitely need a leave-in conditioner. With leave-in conditioners, I have been very adventurous. So let me give you the recommendations. First and foremost, you already know that I'm about to mention Mega Growth. The Mega Growth leave-in conditioner is amazing. Like I have so much love for that leave-in conditioner because we basically grew up together. My hair and that leave-in conditioner, they grew up together. Such a nice sleep, a nice scent, and it keeps your hair moisturized for long. The only issue I had with it though is that it doesn't mix well with other products. So if I wanted to use it with gel, or if I wanted to use it with like a temporary hair dye, it was always it was iffy. So if you are somebody like, if you are just doing the basic things, you don't use gel, you don't do like wash and goes or all those styles that requires gel, then this conditioner is going to be perfect for you. But if you are somebody that is a bit more adventurous with your natural hair, then I would advise that you go for the Gush leave-in conditioner. Now this one, it also has a really nice scent, really nice sleep, really nice consistency, and it mixes very well with other products. It mixes very well with gel, with temporary hair dye, with other curl creams, other styling products. It mixes really well with everything. It's one of the best leave-in conditioners that I have used so far. Like, I would actually rank it above Mega Growth because it mixes well with other products. And then I've also tried the Nature's Gentle Touch leave-in conditioner. That one too is really good. It has a very light consistency, so if you're somebody that does not like thick conditioners, then this one will be really good for you. But I used the tea tree one. The scent of mint and tea tree inside that leave-in conditioner is strong. So if you're somebody that is adverse to like really strong scents, then you may not like this one. But if you don't mind the minty scent, then it's really good. Then if you are looking for cheap, I bought these two conditioners on the same day, I think in July or in June or July, in this 2023, in this Tunumbu era, in Ebano. And I still got the Mediana leave-in conditioning milk for 850 naira. and I got the Nature Endowed Restore Leave-In Conditioner for 1,150. So if you are looking for really, really cheap leave-in conditioners that get the job done, then those two are really good. So far I've mentioned shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner. If you want more of an explanation of the difference between rinse out conditioner or deep conditioner and leave-in conditioner, that video will be linked in the description. I don't know how I want to emphasize the importance of this product, but it's very, very, very important. It's scalp oil slash scalp spray. I know some people prefer to use oil on their scalp, while people like me would prefer to use a scalp spray. I've stopped using oil on my scalp for the past like 2 years, and honestly I've not looked back ever since. I am enjoying my scalp spray experience. Is very, very nice. The cocoa is that you pick out something that would nourish and moisturize your scalp, because everything that we've mentioned so far now, well, except shampoo, because shampoo also washes your scalp, but the leave-in conditioner and the deep conditioner, they moisturize and nourish your hair strands. But what about your scalp? Your scalp also needs nourishment. I mean, that is literally where the hair is growing from. I'm not very conversant with oils, because the only oil I've ever used is the mega growth oil, but I didn't really like it, and neither did my scalp apparently, because when I stopped using it I felt the difference in my scalp. So I don't really know which oils to recommend. You might have to go and do that research yourself. I'm sorry, but if it is scalp spray that you're looking for, I can recommend that one for you. Mega growth. I'm sure you people are sick of me and this mega growth that I've been mentioning from top to bottom. But the mega growth scalp spray, nah, that scalp spray is bomb. It has water and glycerin, which help to moisturize my scalp. It has coconut oil and olive oil, which help to nourish my scalp. Then it has salicylic acid, which helps to unclog my follicles and unclog the pores on my scalp. And finally, it has menthol and tea tree oil to soothe my scalp. Anytime I spray this thing on my scalp, it's like I should just sleep. Then when I spray it, I should not do scalp massage. Nighty night. If you haven't tried it, I need you to try it. Then when you not try it and you get hooked, it's not me that introduced you to this cooking. So those are the 4 products, the 4 basic products that you need to take care of your hair. If you have your wash day and you have these 4 products, then that is literally all you need. Let me give you a hypothetical hair care routine using just these 4 products. So let's say on Sunday you have your wash day, you wash with shampoo, you condition, and then you rub in your leave-in conditioner, and then you spray or oil your scalp. So in that 4 steps, you have cleansed your hair and scalp, you have hydrated your hair, then you have moisturized your hair, and then you have also nourished and moisturized your scalp. So everything has been renewed, old things have passed away, and then you can now put your hair, let's say, in a protective style. Now somewhere along the line, let's say on Wednesday, you re-moisturize your hair with your leave-in conditioner and you reapply your scalp oil or scalp spray. Then sometime around, let's say Saturday, you refresh again, and then on Sunday you wash your hair all over again, like you have your wash day all over again, and the process just keeps repeating itself. Or if you're someone like me and you wash your hair every 2 weeks, then after Saturday that you refresh, you keep your hair again till, let's say, Tuesday, then you refresh, then on, let's say, Friday you refresh again, and then on Sunday you wash your hair. So you see that you didn't really need any other thing. That's basically how I take care of my hair. Like right now I'm on cornrows and I'm wearing this wig and I'm doing this video, and I haven't even touched my hair in like 2 days. Today that I'm recording this video now is Monday. I washed my hair on Saturday. Since that time I've not touched it. I'm probably going to refresh it tomorrow, and that's just how I do my thing. Especially if you're just trying to do the bare minimum, you're trying to be a lazy natural, just these 4 things is enough to take care of your hair. So that is the end of this video. I hope you were able to learn something from here, that it is possible to be a lazy natural doing the very bare minimum and still have a pretty effective hair care routine. If you would like a part 2 to this video where I talk about the essential tools that everybody with natural hair needs to have in their stash, please let me know in the comments, okay? And I will have it recorded for you. If you have any other question, do let me know in the comments. I am here for you. I'm your hair care bestie, you know? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you still haven't, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.